Hey guys, so I know I'm a little bit late to the party on this one. I'm behind on videos, but it's so hard to get a minute to myself that is just nothing but quietness. That way I could do these voiceovers. That's why I like doing the other videos better. But you know what, guys? We're going to roll with it and just go ahead with it. Now, as you probably already know, and like I said, I'm late to this one, but Joe has confirmed one of the sneak peeks that we've seen, and that is the Pharmacy Beauty Honeymoon Glow Resurfacing Night Serum. That is valued at $58. That will be in your June Boxyluxe box, unless it becomes like a variation or something. If it is, you know, make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified, and I will update everybody on that. But as far as I know, this is going to be in everybody's box for June, and that it again is the Boxyluxe box. Now, Boxycharm is going to be linked below, so if you want to go check them out, they are down there for your convenience. And again, I'll show you a little clip of the other things that may be in the June Boxyluxe box, but you know, those are unconfirmed. We don't know about it yet. So those are just stuff that I've seen in his background. I'll just show you a little sneak peek of those. Hopefully they'll be confirmed, or, you know, something or another. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. So make sure you turn your bell on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. I'm always trying to keep y'all up to date on the spoilers and everything, so you want to know when I do upload. And again, guys, make sure you rate this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. It just shows YouTube that you're at least watching my videos. Make sure you do me a favor, a big favor, and rate it. Just go ahead and rate the video. And one more thing before you guys leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.